student 청담. Today we will be talking about studying. Studying is when we do some homework and learn for a project by studying. And group studying is when keep talking about your partner something. What would you be talking about? And studying alone is when there is only one person studying or learning a new idea. But the bad thing about group studying is that there are so many people talking and studying at one time. And the bad thing about studying alone, there is no partner and so many work to study. Which do you prefer, studying in a group or studying alone? I prefer studying group. My first reason is group studying is so fun. For example, when I study with my friend Ben is so smart. He gives me always new idea. One day I did project with Ben. He always gives me a new idea. He is so smart. He is in bridge level and he knows more English words. This is why I like group project. My second reason is group studying not do as much work. For example, when we do group project, one person write and another person draw a picture and last person does presentation. So one day, my teacher made things. I was drawing a picture. My friend was writing the project, and together we present the project. In conclusion, I think group studying is fun and don't do as much work. Which do you prefer, group studying or studying alone? Thank you for listening to my speech.